Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I just wanted to make a small video just to show you the pigeons of Haram. I think there are about 4 or 5 areas where there are a lot of pigeons, and as you can see there are some people who are selling the food for them. They sell it for about 5 real or 10 real. That you can feed pigeons. And it's like really beautiful over here. How they're all flying all over. Normally if you see the birds in any other area, they'll fly away. But over here they'll get very close to you. So what we do sometimes is that if we have any leftover food that will be wasted, we just kind of put it aside, and when we come out we just give them to pigeons, so that way the food is not being wasted. So we had some pita bread and some croissant that were left over. So my kids are giving it to the pigeons. And look how they're all coming over here and they're enjoying it. I'm trying to push them away, but they're like still walking. And kids enjoy giving them food too. And another little girl, she's giving the food. And again, in my last video I covered that some people pick the food up from the floor. And I mean, everyone have different beliefs about it. So these are the Haram birds, and they're right across from the Haram area.